strategies. I know Brett is a, what would you call your strat? I think you're like a momentum trader.
I'm usually a reversal.
I know you talk
I'm a
about
reversal
your
trader.
Golden pockets and all that, but I mean it's momentum.
Yeah, I mean, well, it's mostly like a reversal momentum almost.
Yeah.
Like as soon as I see, so I'll basically map out the golden pocket. So I want to see a move. I want to check a range and then see a 70% drop or so within that range down to like the golden pocket, and I'll put it on here. And I keep getting disconnected. It's weird.
You have your
Session
account open somewhere
disconnected.
else?
No. Oh, do I gotta like log out of this Apex one or something? Hold on.
Oh, you're trading Apex counts?
No,
nice.
no, I'm not.
Oh, okay.
It's
shout out Apex.
Hold on. How do I?
Shout out Daryl.
Brett's got 20 Apex accounts.
Anyway, let me try to refresh. Anyway, I'll show it on the chart. But basically, when we get that 70% move down, if we see any signs of a reversal, so if let's just say we're pulling back, I'd want to see some type of 5 or 15 minute hammer candle, which also lines up with some type of previous support. So, I'm looking at pretty much like 3 things. I think every good trader looks for at least 3 things to make their A+.
Yeah, we talked about you're kind of looking at the 10-minute chart. You're looking for inefficiencies in the market. Is that what you would call it?
They're just magnets. So they're magnets where price will probably revert to, and once it does, then I can make a choice. Whether it's gonna break through, keep going, or it's time for me to take the opposite side of that market. And with the Nasdaq, that's primarily what I do. Is I hardly ever just get into like a trend. If it's trending, I try to stay out of it. Yeah, if it's trending, I stay out, because for me personally, I've noticed that I'm always second guessing Nasdaq trends. But with, let's say, metals and how hard they're squeezing, hell yeah, I'll get into the top, because I know shorts are gonna get squeezed out.
Well, that's always the funny thing too, right? People are like, oh man, market's at all-time high, I can't go any higher. You're like, ooh, get ready. I always laugh too, because people like in the chat are like, I'm getting short because we're at a double top, but I'm like, yeah, well, that's also the perfect spot to break through.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? It's too obvious. And the old double top ain't always the best spot to get short.
And you can kind of see that happen in the Nasdaq, but definitely in metals is you'll have tops and they'll just get absolutely blasted through. Like you can see it right here, 120, 54, 55 just got blasted through by $1.50, $1.30, which is $8,000 a contract.
Yeah, I mean, silver making new highs again, 121, 280, 28.
Yeah, it's an interesting market because I think we're obviously sitting at the highs.
Did you have gold mentions on Powell yesterday?
No, on Kalshi?
Yeah.
No.
Dude, somebody asked him. They're like, what do you think about gold and silver? And he goes, I just don't think about them. He didn't say gold. What did he say silver? I had so much money on gold, and that motherfucker just said, nope, don't think about it. I'm like,
oh man,
how does he not think about it? Like, he was lying. He thinks about it. Like, how's the Fed not looking at it? Like, wait, gold's going up 30-40%. We might be.
So he didn't say anything about it?
No, he literally did. He's like, no, I don't. We don't look at metals.
Dude, he had the no side on Kalshi.
Oh, he did, 100%. No, he 100% had the no side.
That's insane. Yeah, it's interesting though. I mean, we're sitting at the all-time highs right now on like ES and close to it on NQ.
Yeah.
A lot of people were waiting for the tech earnings.
Yeah.
But yesterday was like a piss poor event because Meta went up huge, Microsoft went down, Tesla was up, and then they said we're cutting the S and X,
right? Or the
S and X.
Yeah.
So those are the premium ones of the.
They're gonna turn those into robot factories.
Yeah. And everybody wants that, and I think that's gonna make Tesla go higher in the long term. But Elon, right? Like he'll say something and it gets delayed, and he's saying that they'll have it at the end of this year, but who knows? So
well, the cars are definitely are on the way out, I would say.
Yeah.
Like for them, like that's not their business, right? Their business is 100%. They want to do AI, they want to do the robots, because they want to put a robot in every house.
Well, the Y I think is their the lower SUV.
Yeah,
that's like their best selling car.
Those are hot for Ubers.
Yep.
I can't get them. Whenever I
3.
get an Uber a Y, I'm like, I cancel it because I get sick and.
Honestly, like those, I mean,
they're made like tin cans, dude.
Yeah, not safe. You got the little Haitian Uber driver riding around, wing, 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 wing. I'm like, dude, slow down, man. Blah, blah. Puking in the back seat.
They're starting to roll out. They have the robo taxi
Yeah.
in what is it, in Cali, or it's like 2 states right now, but.
Oh, Cal, you did the Waymo?
I didn't see any, no.
You got Waymo in San Diego?
I
yet?
didn't see any.
Oh, you live? That's where you live?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
He's out in the tech capital, bro.
Ah.
He knows about tech before it even happens. He knows what Nvidia is gonna do before the market even opens.
Oh yeah, bro, it's gonna go up every single freaking day, dude.
When's Nvidia earnings? That's a good. Let's see. It's
Nvidia at
coming up.
191. What's
Nvidia's not till the end of the month. So.
What's the long-term play right now? What are you on? You were big on
The
the China stocks
long-term?
for a minute.
Yeah, those made a nice move
Yeah.
in the past couple months since the summer, but right now I don't know. I don't really have too much. I'm looking at like some value plays, like a lot of stocks that have been beaten up.
Yeah.
I
All
think
in
like
on GameStop.
yeah, I think like nuclear stocks.
Yeah.
So there's like what is it? Okay, Oak. I don't even know how to pronounce it, to be honest.
D-Money's coming up at a
Oklo. That's the name. That's the name of the stock.
D-Money show. Relax.
We gotta have a Okla stock instead of Oklo. But yeah, that's a one I've been watching for a bit, and yeah, I don't know, just kind of rotate. I like Netflix here. I think it's beaten up.
Not financial advice.
Not financial advice.
All right. Well, we got about 5-6 minutes here till market opens. Anything on the chart you guys are interested in seeing happen in terms of sets and playing out?
Yeah, just that 96 sweep off open.
Yeah.
And if it goes to 83 and we start reversing, I'll take that long. As far as silver goes,
83. I like that.
as far as silver goes, I'm looking for a sell stop under 118.360. I'll take that sell stop for kind of like a liquidation candle through these wick lows. That's what I'm looking at.
You know what's been moving a lot? I don't know if you guys even checked. Have you ever looked at natural gas futures?
No.
It's like silver right now. It's going up like 20-30% a day. So
Because how cold it is?
if you so if you like the volatility of the metals right now, it's a slept-on thing. I only see like literally a handful of traders ever do it, but
I traded for the first time copper yesterday. Copper was moving. Dude, it put in like 6 candles that just went vertical.
Crazy, huh?
Vertical.
Platinum's a good one. But yeah, I mean, look, silver's.
What you think?
Look, we're seeing
Is silver and
on the
gold?
back end.
Are you having more traders trading metals than Nasdaq right now?
No.
No, still
But,
Nasdaq.
but it's definitely swayed.
Yeah.
I'd say like probably, and we're still seeing a lot of people trade multiple assets. So they're not, if they're trading silver for the day, they're probably also still looking at their Nas baby.
Your highest, sorry to interrupt, your highest payout receivers, what do they trade?
Mostly ES and NQ, but the micros.
Micros.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hear
Those
that,
fun.
boys? It's the micros.
You trade micros?
Hell no.
Friends like me either. Damn it.
I mean, look, it's just easier to, I guess, manage sometimes the position, especially. I mean, if you're trading, it depends what times you're trading, also, right? So if it's slower, you could probably hop on minis.
Actually, I take that back. I trade silver micros. Just
Silver
because,
micros,
yeah. Silver micros are kind of unique because not a lot of people know this, but one silver micro is 1/5 of a silver mini, not 1/10.
Oh.
Yeah. So it gives you just a little bit more leverage.
Yeah. All right. Well, going into open here, we had a big move up overnight. Well, kind of like after hours yesterday with earnings. You had the dip. We took out that 26,000 level into day yesterday and then swiped all the way back up there. So clearly we're in a big range here. We're at the all-time highs, holding around this 26,000 level. I hate to say that I'm bearish, but I kind of like the idea of oh God, Ocala said to kind of we swipe those lows down there at open. I mean, because I guess even if I'm bullish, I would like to see that happen either way, right? Because I always tell people, I'm like, I want to see something like happen that is going to be like, ooh, now it's a long.
Yeah.
Right? Where it's like, if I get long here, what's going to happen? It's going to swipe the lows and then pop back up. So let's see what happens here at open. We're below the VWAP. We're below yesterday's close. So we don't really have much of a gap. I think the ES is pretty much still 7,014. It's funny because obviously the ES made new all-time highs yesterday, right? So Nasdaq has not made new all-time highs yet. Will the Nasdaq follow? Yes, D-Money will be up later on today. For everybody asking, if you keep on asking, he'll never be on again. So, hey, you do you, baby. Keep playing with fire. Get burnt.
But yeah. And to your point, Patrick, just how I trade Nasdaq off the open is I look for kind of like a range.
Yeah.
And as soon as it breaks breaks the range to either side and starts instantly rejecting, I'll take the other side of that trade. So right now, if on open, if we reject at like 26,166, put in a move through there and then reject, I'll take a short off that.
For a move down, try to swipe those lows. I like it. Kind of makes sense. You're looking for like a reaction to the upside to then give you a better kind of opportunity. Because if you get short right here, then what do you do when it spikes straight up?
Well,
that's
yeah,
what I always say too.
yeah,
I'm
exactly.
like, you kind of want to see that reaction so that way you know you're like, hey, at least I got a kind of a good area to stop out at.
And my stops are pretty stationary. I use 10-point stops.
10-point stops.
You know, it protects my downside.
Yeah. Well, because it's also like I think when you talk to professional traders or successful traders, like they're okay getting stopped out.
Yeah, it's fine.
Right? It's like it's not that you're an idiot or not that you failed. It's just like you're managing your risk, right? You got to get stopped out sometimes. You can always re-enter.
Yeah.
Stop out for 10 points, re-enter, and get 30 points on the next move. Like, it is what it is. But the last thing you want to do is get stopped out for 80 points, and then your next trade is a 10-point trade.
Oh no, dude.
That is a non-profitable strategy, huh, Brett?
Yeah.
80-point stop, 10-point profit. Unless you're PW, it works.
10 points on silver.
No.
Yeah,
Imagine.
Yeah, right. 250,000.
Brett got 100 million in his Tradeovate account.
Can
here we go.
Can I use one of these Tradeovate logins here?
Yeah. Oh,
holy
there's swiping.
smokes.
There's that swipe to the upside.
Are we doing it?
We doing it? I got these
I'm doing it.
Tradeovate. I got these Tradeify accounts.
I don't have my bracket.
Does Brett give me does he come over and just break it live? You're out. All right, we're pushing up there into that 160, 170 level.
Oh gosh, I can't see anything.
Your eyes are closer.
Dude, yeah, no kidding.
If we get back below 150s, I might try this short. Back below. I want to see this candle gonna not look as green.
Okay, I'm out there.
You're already out?
Yes, sir.
Damn it. All right. Oh, I only have 4 of these?
Do you typically trade like the 930 candle?
Yeah.
Dude.
So I trade off my phone. So this is the first time I've actually used the desktop Tradeovate.
Wait, like charting
My
as well?
I don't have like charting or anything. I just look at the candles.
Hold on a second.
Hey,
Oh,
man.
I was about to say.
Oh,
So
look at that rip.
did you use the app?
Yeah.
Like the okay.
A lot of people complain, but I've used it for years, and it's fast. I mean, what more do you need? You need like 2 buttons, buy and sell.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I don't mind the app at all for the DOM, but like when I'm looking at charts.
All right, if this candle breaks 140, I'm short here. Okay, we're short. See if we can't get a move down to these lows now. Big wicks on the top.
Oh, dude. I'll
Let's
let that
see.
go.
This is
Way
a
too
day where
soon.
like I'm like 8 screens.
There we
looking-
go. From the
jeez.
35. W's
go.
in the chat. W's in the chat. 5 points. Fuck you, D-Buddy.
Hell yeah, dude.
I love it because like the chat now, like they just like everyone loves D-Buddy and they all just want to like get me all fired up. So whenever I get a trade, they're
You're
all
like fuck you,
nobody
D-Money.
cares.
That's your new thing.
Yeah, nobody cares. But like when if D-Money gets 3 points, they're all like, God, he's the fuck dude. He's fucking Warren Buffett. He's fucking Warren Buffett over here.
You're the mini. He's the micro.
I'm broke. I'm
He
broke
needs
over
3.
here.
You need 30.
I'm broke, bro. Yeah. Yeah. So like I said, kind of playing into exactly what Ocala was talking about, right? We kept getting rejected up there at that 160, 170 level. Once that candle here basically put in that big wick, have that body being bearish, grab the short there at the 35s, kind of targeting down there. And only problem is NVIDIA's going straight up right now. I look at NVIDIA, and I'm like, if NVIDIA's going straight to the moon, it's hard to be short on the Nasdaq.
You guys look at stocks when you're trading?
I look at NVIDIA, only NVIDIA.
Yeah,
sometimes Microsoft, depends.
You look
at NVIDIA, right?
Yeah. So what I have is like on the side on my watch list, like on TradingView. I don't have it logged in right now, but I'll put like if I'm trading NQ on the right side under watch list, I'll put all of the the top 8 in the Nasdaq.
Right.
I won't like really go to the chart too much. Sometimes I will, depending on the day. But like I'll just have a mental reference. All right, this one's green, up 1%. If I see it start to go down like 0.5% out of nowhere, let me switch to that and see like is it gonna break the low a day?
Yeah.
Because we know if like NVIDIA breaks the low or high a day,
dude, NVIDIA's pumping straight up.
That's gonna move Nasdaq probably, as long as everything else is all the same. So today's a day where I definitely have these stocks up because again it's post earnings move. So Microsoft, Tesla.
Well, the other day it was a perfect example, right? NVIDIA was stuck in a range. Every time it got to the bottom, it would the Nasdaq would just bounce. So it was like, are you going to short the Nasdaq when you see that the NVIDIA is clearly holding like a level for some reason?
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah.
He don't even look. He's like, bro, I don't even know what NVIDIA is. What are you talking about?
Again,
I just trade the candles, bro.
I think today's tough because like you look at Meta, it's up 9%. You look at Microsoft, it's dumping even more. It's down 10% now. So like you can see NQ's relatively, flat. I mean, it's down a little bit now, but like pre-market relatively flat for a post-earnings move.
Yeah,
and it's tough.
Ocala, you were interested in this level down here now.
Yes.
So at what point are you looking for a long now, or is there not a long?
So there's not a long yet, but I want to. So it got the repair, it got the the what we were talking about.
Yep.
And it kept going through, no reaction. So right now, what I'm looking at is a break of this previous low at 85.30 to 80. See if we spike it, and then see if I take a long. So right now I kind of want to take a long.
This is my long. We're in the golden pocket.
Longs?
Yeah.
All right, I'm long. Why am I only getting 4?
Right, literally wick the 707, 26079, like fucking right there, pretty much.
I'm taking financial advice.
So I mean, we could see a little pop there. So I'd be watching.
Stop for 10.
You got stop for 10?
I got stop for 10.
Sir, I added.
Sir, I added.
Oh, God.
But, I mean, that's why you run 10-point stops, right?
Yeah. Makes sense.
Can always re-enter. Everybody's quiet because they're getting freaking blown out.
Blown, bro. Don't worry, my risk management. Don't tell the risk management at Tradeify. All right, I'm trying to see if we get a reaction off this level down here, that golden pocket. You're drawing on my charts right now. It's funny. I see your golden pocket. Yeah.
Oh, really? I'm on yours?
I guess you're on mine.
So you see this?
Charts.
Wait, so it updates in real time?
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
That's
I
sick.
didn't draw a golden pocket on my fucking chart.
That's funny. Yeah, so I mean, you're looking for that 786. That's usually where you want to see it, like hold the
right in here.
Hold the door. Yeah, pretty much, right here. We're playing off that. I don't know what that candle was. That 4 p.m. Oh, that's looks like a ghost
the earnings
wick.
candle.
Ah, it's the earnings candle. Yeah.
Holy smokes, dude! Just
and Meta's pulling back. Microsoft, Tesla dumped. Tesla's red now.
That original, look at NVIDIA just dumped all the way back down. That original short from the 140-50 area was the play.
Yeah,
clearly.
for sure.
Clearly.
Maybe off 23.
Yeah, the low of that candle yesterday was pretty much 26,000. We're straight down right now, chat.
Holy
straight down.
smokes.
That's 100 points since the open.
Trying along here at 28.
It's like yesterday's pre-market.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good spot too. But I mean,
dude,
this is the thing. Until you see at least like a minute or two, it's tough to just.
Well, at this point, this low is in play. The 93.
Straight down. Lieutenant Dan.
26K has been the high of this range for a bit on the daily. So if you switch back to the daily, you'll see we're hitting that 26K level right now.
Oh,
And that's
dude,
where
I
we've
didn't
been
get filled.
bouncing.
No way.
It's funny because we mooned basically for 6 months straight, and the past 2 months has been like 1,000.
Trying to get a pop back up here.
It's crazy to say 1,000 points is small, but 1,000-point range.
Na 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 na. Hey, hey, hey.
Who's is on right now?
That's me.
Okay.
I'm a longy dongy. Off the lowy lowy.
Nice,
Off
dude.
the low, yeah. Those whole numbers, especially the 1,000 ones, it's typically a lot of orders around there.
Stop is at the 17s. My last position there at the 09s. Trying to see if we could get some pushback up there. We might not get it, so we might get stopped again. But at least it's $1,000 locked in there. Okay. Take it. Little 2,800 there in the live account.
10% on Microsoft. What the?
Up still?
Why
or
was
down?
it? No, it's down. I don't know why that earnings was bad. I didn't have time to take a look.
Now it'll bounce.
It's
All
holding.
right. So that yesterday's that earnings low is pretty much
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
93s.
Cut that long. Off the 20s.
ICT gonna enter short. Somebody said it.
Goal for me right now is to lock in this payout, guys, on this account, Lucid.
We got Izzy. Yeah, I might have to slide you a pair of signed gloves. You
A
like
what?
it? You like UFC?
Yeah. What's up with
Yeah.
that? You got a pair of signed gloves?
Yeah, we got some merch that we're gonna be.
What?
Yeah.
Let me
Might have
get
to hang one up
of
here.
these. How do I get Izzy at the BDH, dog?
Yeah.
Come on, Tradeify, make it happy.
You're gonna have to move it to Seattle. That's where the fight is.
Oh, man.
The opposite.
Are you
end
going
of
to the
it.
fight?
Yeah.
Fuck. You go private jet?
Private copter. I'm gonna
Ah.
fly a helicopter across the U.S. How about that? No.
All right, so yeah, big move down. Did exactly kind of what Ocala was talking about at open. Swiped kind of up into the 60, 70 level. And then right now just on a free fall. Free falling.
Yeah, seriously.
Mm-hmm. Meta pulled back 3%. Microsoft dumped. Tesla were green to red.
Got a bear flag on the 1 minute chart. If we lose this low, definitely some pain to the downside just to run those stops maybe down there below.
Yeah, for sure.
Giveaway free. Yeah, we're gonna be giving away
We
tickets.
got
too.
freebies. Oh, for the UFC.
For the UFC. Yeah, we're gonna do like a 2-ticket giveaway. We're gonna give away a bunch of signed gloves.
Ooh.
I got giveaways too. I mean, shit. If you
We
got,
got giveaways
yeah,
today.
yeah.
We got Tradeify accounts to give away today.
Yeah, let's
I might be
do,
looking for a short here if we can break 26,000. Well, like through this kind of lows down here and then look for 20, 30 points to the downside.
What free accounts you guys want? I'll let everybody pick.
Oh,
I was
now
gonna
All right, I'm trying to short here. Stop is above this high of these candles. See if we can swipe these lows down there. Finish the pain. I want the pain. Daddy.
Oof.
Let's
There
go.
we go.
There's 14 points, chat. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. I want more, though. They want the select, I think.
Damn, they're making it easy. Only a 50K select. All right.
Just, you know, humble people here at the BDH. Humbles. What's the most popular account that you guys sell? Size-wise?
So-
50K?
Yeah, 50K.
Yeah, I'd say. Well, I mean, I kind of see. But, I mean, the 50K is just, I think, for ROI-wise, like for most traders, it's pretty good, right? You can get
Yeah.
plenty of payouts.
And the
It's
price
not
point.
insanely expensive up front, you
Yep.
know. Like, it's a good place to start. Like, if you're a new trader, there's no reason to go and buy the most expensive cow. Like, start
Yeah.
out small, you know, and slowly kind of size up, like we said.
We're
It's not a race.
we're tweaking a new one. There's gonna be a new plan in the next.
Oh yeah, you're talking about
couple
that
weeks.
for even maybe I don't want to give away the secret, but there you
Yeah.
go, chat.
Let's go.
www.
Oof.
D-Money who? D-Money who? Who? You know what I mean? Not even here. He's not even here.
Fucking owl.
D-Money, he's not even here.
Yeah, we're looking at an account for like beginners, so we don't have like a entry level price one, you know, around that $50 or so price point. So we're looking for that. It's probably going to actually be an additional one maybe. So for instance, if you already have 5, you can get this one.
Yeah.
Still. So little tidbit there, but it's just going to be kind of like that intro account. You can't buy like 5 of them, anything like that. It's more like
I like that.
when
That's
you
good.
get new people in the door, it's probably their best one to do as a starter.
Well, I think I've always said, right? Like people are all, they're like, most traders, what are they looking for? They just want to they want to start learning to trade. They don't need, you know, I would say majority of the traders I talk to, they're not worried about, hey, what's the payout cap?
Yeah.
Right? People aren't like, they don't really care about the payout cap. They're just kind of like, hey, what's the upfront cost?
Can
Right.
I get
You know,
paid?
like, people are not like reading the rules and going, man, it's got a $1 million payout cap. I need to buy this account. You know, they're just kind of looking at like, hey, what's kind of the easiest to get funded?
Right.
Right,
And
so-
even new people, they have no idea any of those rules. Like
Exactly.
it's tough. So when you see a lot of rules and different things on that are slapped on there, it's kind of intimidating. So I think
Holy
that
smokes.
that keeps a lot of people out of
Dude,
their
this
initial
thing-
purchase. So
This thing is just gone. Absolutely
yeah, we're
gone.
almost near low a day yesterday already. Like 40 points, yeah. This is the thing though, right? You wait for these earnings when you're near the highs. It's unless they're blow off earnings or like a crazy amount of good news for the next quarter, it's going to be tough to make a lot of these stocks push their all-time highs. So you can't expect NQ to break all-time highs either. I didn't read these reports. Meta, I don't know what the fuck they did, but they crushed it. It looks like
it wouldn't matter either way though. Like I always say that too. That people are like, oh, like, you know, I read the report and the stock still went down. It's like, well, yeah, because it's like,
there's like certain words. Like for
Yeah.
instance, the easiest one to take on a stock is guidance.
Yeah.
Right. If they say, hey guys, you know, next quarter or two, we're not going to be doing so well as we rethink things.
Yeah.
The stock's not going to be green, almost ever, because investors are looking in the near 3 to 6 months. So they're going to say, all right, I'm going to sell at this premium it's at, and I'll buy back 5-10% lower, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. So that's one of the easiest things to look for. And then, you know, obviously looking at previous investments. So if they said they were doing this quarter, how did it play out? Like Meta.
yep.
Remember when they did the whole VR? Stock just tanked for like a year
Yeah.
because they weren't making money on it. As soon as they cut it, stock's back at all-time highs. Right? Every quarter they've been doing really well.
Yeah. They thought that the VR was the future.
Yeah.
I think it was a little early. Tech
Or
wasn't
near
there
all-time
yet.
highs. Sorry, not there yet.
All right, so we broke the 15-minute range to the downside. Is there a reversal setting up here?
That's what I'm thinking.
Right? I mean, we've got this kind of low from Tuesday down there, 9:15 area, 9:20s. That's a big hourly candle straight down right now. But man,
How about a silver trade for the kids?
the silver trade.
So have you been trading silver at all?
Never.
No, don't.
I mean, what? I got enough. I can lose and make enough money on the Nasdaq. I don't need to go lose money on silver too.
It's
You
insane.
know, like I already got enough problems trading the
it's such a
Nasdaq, and now I'm
leveraged
gonna go
product.
trade silver too. Hey Patrick, go trade silver. It's so
you,
volatile.
you said you're trading it
You
though,
like
right?
silver, yeah.
So what are you finding yourself like? What's the percent split? Would you say like 50-50 now, like between like trading each asset?
I trade more silver than I do
Oh,
anything
you do
else. Mm-hmm.
It's nuts.
There is a setup on silver that I like to see. It's a break of lows, break of wick lows. Everything's just dying, dude. Holy smokes.
I mean, right now it's just straight down. You got 15 minutes left on that hourly candle. I'd say there would be some kind of pushback up here, but this is unprecedented times.
Now we're at yesterday. We swept yesterday's lows.
I mean, we down there. We swiped fucking Tuesday's low. Well, almost.
I'm sorry, not yesterday. That's what I meant. Tuesday. Yeah.
Yeah, almost. Yeah, it's Tuesday
Yeah,
low
yeah,
down
yeah.
there.
Kept saying yesterday.
It's like, even if I want to get short, like I need some kind of pushback up, right?
Yeah.
Like some kind of
Yeah.
reaction. Because it's like, if I get short down here, it's going to spike up 100 points. And then
I'm long 20.
I like it.
This is again where like I'm still looking at like the Nasdaq stocks, and like Microsoft down 10%. Like, how much
Holy
more are they going to sell
smokes.
this off? You know, you're going to get a bounce. Meta down a couple percent from the high. They're going to pop it back up. Tesla's finding a bid here. Tesla bouncing at the earnings low.
There's
So
20 points.
Shout out to Ocala. 20 points. 20-point man. He's a 20-point man.
30 points. Let's go.
Ocala, I'm along with you, bro.
Let's
go,
do it,
Daddy.
P-dubs.
Let's
40
go,
points.
baby boy. Let's go, baby boy. Dude, is $10,000 good?
Snap.
Is $10,000 good? Is that good? Hey, D-Buddy, is that good? Where's this guy at? Tell him to come sit out here. At least I can yell at him.
Freaking
He's in there and just in the quiet.
ooh. Damn, we
There's
really,
that snap.
we
80
really
points. Let's
swept
go,
that
baby.
low and
Let's
popped
go.
hard, yeah.
I mean, come on. It's just like, you look at that 1 hour candle, and it's just like, it's got to put in a wick there.
Mm-hmm.
And we talk about this a lot too, right? It's like the last 10, 15 minutes is notorious for these candles to reverse. Because why? Well, that would be where the wick would form.
Yeah.
Right.
Like the other day, we had a move at open where it went straight down, and then the last 5 minutes, it came all the way back up. And everybody's like, no, it's going to go lower. I'm like, well, no, it ain't.
It's typically like that 9:45, 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, that's why I love
Yeah,
the
you wait for
15-minute
that
range,
that
right?
first
Look
15.
at the 15-minute range.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I always tell people, like, you can't just get short on a big dump like that. Because you're just asking for pain,
No,
right?
yeah.
And I don't want the pain. And that's like,
I
that
don't
comes from
want the pain.
Yeah, I mean,
Ah,
I
you
don't
don't?
want it. You don't want it, right? Like, we know. Ocala knows. Like,
Yeah, we-
as a experienced trader, you get to a point where you're like, I don't want to feel the pain.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Right? So I'd rather just not take that trade, or I'd rather not, like, let's not do that today, you know? So, yeah, shout out. That was sick. I was basically, so explain what you were looking at, Ocala, and I think we probably were looking at kind of the same idea.
Just you know, you look.
Were you looking at those previous days or anything?
To be honest, I was looking at just this move and how capitulatory in nature it was.
Yeah.
And sorry, I'm in a short from 03.
These kids these days, man.
Oh yeah, baby. And that's payout secured from Lucid. Let's go, baby. So that's 20 points right there. So I was looking at a capitulation move lower, and one of the levels I look at is 80 and 20.
Yeah.
So it swept through 20 in a capitulatory fashion. So
Yeah.
it's super fast, and we had no reaction there. So to me, I'm looking for at the very least at a reclaim of 20. And once it reclaims, you know, let's see how far we can get that move.
Well, it makes sense, right? You're kind of swiping like a key level. You're getting close to a whole number. And, I mean, from my experience back trading like the small caps, like people love to like front run those key levels, right? They're like, because everyone's like, hey, I want to get long if it gets down there 25,900. But what happens when it gets to 25,905?
Yeah.
Somebody's like, fuck it, I'm in.
Yeah.
And then as soon as that one person starts buying, it's like, and everybody's buying.
Yeah, sure.
It's just, yeah, you start getting the squeeze going. If you're if you shorted, you know, up at the 40s, and you're not taking profit at 920s, or well, that's over 100 points. You
Yeah.
know, 2640 down there to 920. That's 120 points on that short. You might be a little crazy. You might be a little crazy. That's all. I always say it's like there's a pain point, right? There's a pain point for shorts. There's a pain point for like longs. So it's like the same thing. If you were long from the 26,000 area and it goes all the way down there to the 920s, you're probably gonna stop out.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's like when the buyers step in and it goes.
That's 60 points on that short. Let's go, boys.
All right. This guy. We got Ocala today and tomorrow, actually. So don't worry, chat. We're going to get a lot of time with them. We're going to have D-Money coming out here later. I think we'll do a little power hour trade. We got all kinds of fun stuff. We're talking trading. We're talking prop firms. We got the, I'd say, the king of the prop firm influencer world to the left over here. Is that your title?
Oh, it's me?
Yes,
Oh.
sure, it's you. You hold all the power, sir, for the influencer.
Yeah, no.
If Brett Simba says no, then you're out.
Oh no,
You're
yeah.
out. He'll cut you.
Hell yeah, you will.
Wait, so you're, You're not. You're only cut from. You're not cut though, right? You
No,
can
I'm
trade.
cut.
Oh no, it shouldn't be that. I thought it was. I thought it was just affiliate. We can bring you back. No.
It's time to bring you back,
No,
dude.
yeah,
Come on, Brett. Put it back.
You can come
Put it
back.
back, Brett.
Nah, but yeah, I mean, look, I was gonna talk about it before. The scene's been changing. A lot of people have been moving towards these daily payouts, getting people paid faster and having people lock in. Again, like I said before, smaller payouts. I don't think it's these like large ones that a lot of props want to see. They want to build this consistency. And honestly, if people are taking daily payouts, it's proving themselves to be better for the live program.
You can't build up those big buffers and then dig into that buffer on like in the future.
It's not you're almost putting yourself at a disadvantage because you're probably going to be just thinking, oh, I have this massive buffer that I've built that I'm just going to eat into the drawdown and DCA until I get to green, right? So I'm not saying to see green, take green every time. By all means, raise your stop, let some trades ride, but building that daily payout mindset, or every other day, every 3 days, whatever the case may be, rather than a week, 2 weeks.
It forces you to be professional.
Exactly, and that's what I was about to get into.
If I want a daily payout, I've got to be professional.
When you move to the live program, and when you have your own live account, it's the same thing, right? You're going to be able to take daily payouts. We just had a guy, he hit 100K in payouts in the live program. I think he's like top guy right now. Yeah, Futures Farming. I don't know if you've seen him. Shout out Futures Farming.
How much did I get in the live account?
That guy.
I took your record.
You got to run it back.
I took a good amount out of the live account.
Yeah, I don't remember the numbers.
I got to be number 2 still.
But he so now he unlocked. We're gonna be talking with him. I don't even know if he knows this. So I'll tell right now. But he's gonna be the first, I think, ever live trader who can swing trade.
Damn.
Oh. And actually, that's a benefit compared to any other prop. Not any other. Well, of course, any other prop, but like just the live account itself, because in order to just trade one NQ, you need 16K.
Yeah.
So we're going to be talking with him. It's probably going to be where he only needs about 8K to swing, because basically how the live account works is you can have a lower amount of funds in your account, but it takes from our master account.
Yeah.
So, for instance, we have, I don't know, million plus in the master account, and that's where all the margin comes from for everyone to trade their sub accounts underneath it.
They're all coming out of Brett's personal account.
Yeah, there you go. So if I have a bad day when everybody gets liquidated, I ran out of margin.
Traded 5 cents on an